How to download install Google Play Store apps in your PC and laptop. Any Play Store application. Browser open. Search box lo BlueStack 5 download. Enter key press. BlueStacks.com fastest and lightest Android apps player for PC. BlueStack 5. First link, mouse left click. BlueStacks official redirectory web page complete display. Introducing the performance beast. Left side, download BlueStacks, blue color button click. Download section lo BlueStack exe setup file downloading process completed. Next installation setup process. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Downloads folder lo BlueStack 5 exe setup file display. Select, mouse right click. First option open click. BlueStacks installer window lo first button yes click. Checking your system configuration. Download folder minimize. BlueStack window display. Agree and install button click. Bottom side downloading process start 0 to 100% completing. Wait and here few minutes. Play Store internal features. Join your Discord. Largest game library 2 million games. 500 million plus gamers, MVPs and new movies. In case any getting installation error, antivirus and firewall protection off, installation before and installation completed on. After 5 times completed, Play Store interface display. Wait and here few minutes. Let desktop apps access your practice location. No click. BlueStacks 5 desktop shortcut display. Finishing post installation steps. Browser close. BlueStacks app Play Store complete interface display. Maximize. Ads related options settings off button set. Right side top section lo 3 dots click. First option settings click. Setting window display. Left side preferences option click. Allow BlueStacks on show ads during gameplay button off. Left side edge mouse left click. First button disable click. Set your convenient options on. Unnecessary options tick mark off set. Mouse scroll down number of options display. Close click. Second button discard changes click. Type in search box WhatsApp application. First one select WhatsApp Messenger. First one application select. Bottom side install from Google Play. First button click. Sign in your Gmail personal account. Sign in button click. Checking info. Enter your Gmail account. Right side bottom section lo next button click. Enter your password. Next button click. Mouse scroll down. Single user first one option tick mark set left side. Multiple users second one tick mark set. Set your convenient options. Choose default first one set. Next button click. Add your phone number unnecessary. Mouse scroll down. Skip button click. Agree button click. First button don't turn on click. First button skip this button click. Backup necessary on, unnecessary off set. Accept click. Google Play Store apps running. WhatsApp Messenger install click. no thanks click. After installation completed, open enable button. Open button click or minimize click. Desktop WhatsApp click. Select your language, local language or any one language. Default English set. Next click. Agree and continue click. Add your phone number. BlueStacks app player interface లో ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ అప్లికేషన్స్ డిస్ప్లే ఓన్లీ వన్ వాట్సాప్ డిస్ప్లే. సర్చ్ బాక్స్ లో మౌస్ లెఫ్ట్ క్లిక్ గేమ్స్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ గేమ్స్ డిస్ప్లే ఇన్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్. ఇన్స్టాల్ ఫ్రమ్ గూగుల్ ప్లే బటన్ క్లిక్. టాక్టికల్ గేమ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ బటన్ క్లిక్.